In this video, I'm going to be taking down Christmas. Now, I made a promise that I was going to try or attempt to be on camera at least 2 videos a week. So, I'm not going to get dolled up to take down all this Christmas stuff. The trees, the tablescapes, the fireplace. I'm not getting dolled up for that, and I don't know anybody else who would. So let me know down below, do you get dolled up to take down your Christmas decor? Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and this is your first time to my channel. Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I share how to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on the budget. Now, if you like this kind of content, I would love for you to subscribe and become part of the family. And to my creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now, let's jump into taking down Christmas. Oh, before I jump into that, I know I'm late with this. I have had a migraine for almost 3 days. Now, I wanted to show you these ornaments here. These ones I made myself. They're ones made, I had a lady print the labels up for me, and these are the big Dollar Tree clear ornaments. Now, this one says Wilcoxon 2017. Maybe I should have showed the other one first. But hey, the first one actually is this one. It's 2016 with the wedding bands, that wedding rings. That's the year we got married. And then that's 2017, as I showed you. And then we have 2018. And then we have 2019. And then this one's for this year, 2020. Now I'm going to attempt to have a new ornament every year with the year on it, so we can see how far we've come together. We've been together going on 8 years, and we've been married 5. No, we've been together 7, and we are married. It will be 5 years this year. So here are our ornaments to show every year. Now I just took that break to show y'all these. Now I got to get back to work. Okay, tree is down. Table is cleaned off. The tree is over there and so are the ornaments. This thing I have to do is get those out in the garage and sweep this floor, and this room will be finished. If you want to keep watching more, check out these videos I have listed here in the end screen. And you be blessed.